Hello everyone, Dawnette Beckett, Herald and Review reporter. Setbacks, we all have them. Usually something kind of interesting like a sprained ankle or a torn ligament or the flu, but I didn't get any of those. I've had my setbacks that I do every year. Summer. I'm lazy. I want to stay in air conditioning. Don't get me wrong, I love summer, especially versus winter. I do try to get out and stay motivated and play ball or go swimming or something else, but it's still very difficult. I'd much rather eat ice cream, and that's usually where my walking goes, to the ice cream store. But I'm not going to let that happen this year. We are going to stay motivated. We're going to keep walking, keep running, and do all the techniques and tricks and motivational advice that I've gotten from the experts. Read more about that in our next 5K journey, and we'll see you out on the trails. Now is a perfect opportunity to sign up for the many 5Ks that are going on throughout the community, not only in Decatur, but also the surrounding villages and towns. So I'll be looking for you out there. See you next time.